BlackSky secured a major win with the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency, NGA, landing a 4-year, over $24 million delivery order for the Luno A Facility Operational Monitoring, FOMO, initiative. Yeah, FOMO. Get it? It's not just some boring name, it alludes to the fear of missing out on key intel that BlackSky can now bring. This contract leverages BlackSky's cutting-edge, real-time, AI-driven monitoring services to track global military and economic facilities, focusing on object and pattern-of-life change detection. The company will utilize its AI-enabled capabilities to detect trends and anomalies in vehicle, aircraft, vessel, railcar, and ground equipment activity at critical facilities worldwide, including ports, airfields, military installations, and railways. Brian O'Toole, BlackSky CEO, emphasized the significance of this win, highlighting the company's long record of success in delivering industry-leading commercial real-time, AI-enabled dynamic monitoring capabilities at machine speed and scale in service to U.S. national security. This achievement demonstrates BlackSky's ability to provide unmatched speed and economics in its space-based intelligence system. The contract will enable BlackSky to further improve its first-of-its-kind space-based intelligence system with the coming addition of its very high-resolution Gen 3 satellites to its high-frequency, low-latency constellation. This will provide even more rapid, detailed, and precise insights to support the critical needs of its customers. Notably, BlackSky already monitors over 30 million square kilometers of the Earth's surface for the NGA. This win builds upon BlackSky's existing partnership with the NGA, which includes a 5-year, up to $290 million Luno A multi-award contract awarded in October. This contract enables BlackSky to provide high-cadence, rapid revisit satellite imagery and AI-driven change detection analytics to monitor global economic and environmental activity and military capability. The Luno A contract also contributes to the creation of new products, data, and services that employ innovative uses of artificial intelligence, managing high volumes of data, producing deeper insights, and boosting predictive analytical capabilities. BlackSky's scalable and cost-effective AI tools will allow for more frequent data-intensive broad area search and discovery queries than traditional solutions. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.